Welcome back, you guys. This is Tig. We're going for another POV drive today with the 335 carbon hood and mirrors. Oh wow, look at that. That's like not even cool. Carbon hood and mirrors and the side skirts and wheels. Carbon fiber trunk spoiler. Chrome delete. Carbon fiber wheel. If you guys have watched the channel before, you know what we're about to do. We're just gonna go for a drive and see what happens, you know? See if we can't make something or catch something that's really cool, or just get some good engine noises for you guys. Stay tuned. Turbo noises inbound. Well, you guys, I'm back home today. Gotta add some oil to the BMW, and I wasn't recording when I probably got like the best footage that I ever could have gotten in my whole life driving. So I hate myself right now. But point being, we're home. We gotta add some oil to the BMW. You know, we got that liquid moly tech right here, of course, always. And some funnels in that bag to make life easier. So yeah, just something that I took away. Take a second, hit the record button. Content is everything. If you guys watched, if you guys liked the drive, you know, say you liked it. That would mean a lot to me to hear. Give me a like, subscribe for more BMW content. Tig out.